had a conversation with a Ford dealer one time, and my question to him was, why you? Why should someone choose you? And he looked at me and he said, well, Eric, what do you think? And immediately I knew that he was in trouble because he didn't know why he should be the first choice. And there was another Ford dealership in the marketplace. They sell the same vehicle. They're selling the same sticker price. So what is the difference? And you're probably wondering, how do you stand out? How you stand out is going to be, you have to do something different. Making deposits within your community is a huge way for you to be able to stand out. Oftentimes in dealerships, we forget, because we're moving metal on the ground, we actually have clients that we have to sell to. And that client is going to be that customer who's going to come in and want that new vehicle from your dealership. So why are they going to choose you? They want to know what your reputation's like. And also, do you have a presence in the community? I believe every dealership should focus on those things, because that's what's going to separate you from everyone else, especially when you have the same product. It's going to be how you serve it. Everyone has eggs, but I can choose exactly where I buy my eggs from.